Adobe tried buying them for $20 billion. The deal failed. Now they're going public. Is Figma the next big tech stock, or is it just hype? Let's break it down in this video. What is Figma? It's basically Google Docs, but for designers. It took design from offline files and clunky emails to real-time, collaborative, web-based platform. It's now the industry standard for building apps and websites. They also have Figma or FigJam for whiteboarding and dev mode to connect designers with developers. So who uses these services? Oh, just companies like Microsoft, Netflix, Amazon, Google, Shopify, etc. Some no-name companies. What's the bull case for Figma? Market dominance. Figma is the undisputed leader in its space. Designers love the product, which creates powerful word of mouth growth. The company has incredible financials. Revenue is soaring almost $750 million in 2024, up 48% year over year. They're profitable, $45 million in net income in the first quarter of 2025 alone. Their customers are sticky. They have over 1,000 customers paying them more than $100,000 a year. Oh, and Adobe just had to pay them $1 billion for backing out of the deal. Or I don't want to say they backed out of the deal. The deal just failed. Has huge growth potential. They're expanding beyond design into whiteboarding, developer tools, and marketing. They are heavily invested in AI to make design faster, smarter. This could be a massive new revenue stream for them. But hey, let's talk about the bear case too. The valuation is super high. The IPO is aiming for a valuation of up to 16.4 billion. That's over 17 times its revenue in 2024. That's a premium price, meaning the stock has high expectations baked in from day one. It's got intense competition. Never count Adobe out. They are monsters with deep pockets. Canva is a huge and moving into Figma's territory. And the biggest threat, an unknown AI native startup that could change the game entirely. Also, market saturation. How many more professional designers can they sign up? Future growth has to come from new products and markets, which is tougher sell. The Bitcoin angle, which is pretty cool. Figma is buying Bitcoin for its corporate treasury. They bought an 11.4 million stake in a spot Bitcoin ETF. The company says it's for diversification of assets and to embrace technological innovation. I think that's pretty cool. That's not a bear case. This adds a layer of volatility, though. If Bitcoin soars, it's great. If it crashes, it drags on their balance sheet. It's a bold but risky move. So, depending on how you feel about Bitcoin, is going to decide that for you. So, what's my take? I think Figma is an A-plus company with a phenomenal product and a strong moat. Their financials are exactly what you want to see in an IPO: high growth and profitability. However, the valuation is my main hesitation. It's priced for perfection. Any sign of slowing growth and the stock could get hit pretty hard. So my take, I think long term, I'm bullish on Figma. It's a fantastic company that is likely to be a leader for years to come. For the IPO, I would be cautious. IPOs can be extremely volatile. The insiders are selling shares and the hype is high. My strategy would be to wait for the IPO dust to settle. Don't buy on day one. Watch the stock for a few weeks or even a few months. If you can get it at a more reasonable price after the initial hype dies down, it could be a fantastic long-term investment. I am actually pretty bullish on this company long term. So that's the breakdown of Figma, guys. A great company at a potential steep price. What do you guys think? You guys buying? You guys gonna wait? Let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you got anything on this video.